Hey guys, welcome back to my page. Thank you for checking it out. So this time I'm going to do a little bit more crafting, and I decided to do candles. Who doesn't love candles? You know, candles are cute. This one is actually an LED candle. It has a little light button at the bottom, and I actually purchased it from Dollar Tree for $1 whole. But we are going to do something different with this. We are going to turn this into a designer candle, and it's so simple, y'all. Super simple, and the stuff you'll need for it, I'm sure you can find around the house. So stay tuned and we will get this thing going.
All right, so these are some of the supplies you will need to complete your project. All right, so to start this project, you want to search for a design that you want for your candle. So I decided to do some art, some love pictures. So I typed in Google, and this is a design I chose. You right click that picture, and I did the save image. You can do save image, or you can do the copy, and then you can open up your word processor program and then just paste that onto that program. And then you make sure you want to resize the image so that it fits on your candle. So on one side of my candle, I'm going to have the picture, and on the back half, I'll have the words. So now you print it out, and you're going to do that by taking the tissue paper, and you're going to cut it to make sure it's a little bit smaller than your actual printer paper, and then you're going to use tape and tape down that tissue paper onto your printer paper. All right, so now we are ready to print. Make sure that you load your paper into your printer with the setting that your printer has for your paper. So for mine, I have to put mine with the tissue paper side down because my paper flips over as it's printing out. So just make sure you check your settings on that so you don't waste any ink printing on the wrong side. So, you go to file and just print out your image, and make sure, check your settings so that you make sure you're printing in your best setting, like your best quality, so that you can get a good amount of ink and your picture is very clear and defined. All right, our image has printed, and this is what it looks like.
All right, so now that we've completed all those steps and we've printed out our design on our tissue paper that was taped to our printer paper, we're going to cut out the design. So I printed the picture in words, but I'm not going to put it all underneath each other. I'm going to put one on each side of the candle. So let's cut this up. Alright, so you guys can see that. Those are the words that I printed out. And while you're cutting, one thing I want you guys to remember is to try to cut as close as you can and trying to get a lot of the excess tissue paper.
Alright, so now we're going to take our glue stick, and I used the Elmer's glue. And you're going to cover the back of your design, fully cover from edge to edge.
And then we're going to grab our candle and place our design. Alright. Smooth it out as best you can. Try to make sure it's not crooked, because that would be terrible. I know you'd be mad. Alright, so next you want to take your wax paper and cover the candle completely. So I'm just going to cut a little bit.
All right, so it's time to blow dry. Make sure you blow dry about 3 minutes if you're using the LED candle. If you're using an actual full out candle, 5 minutes would be okay. All right, so you want to make sure that you unwrap slowly, taking that wax paper off. And this is my completed project. So now the image is onto the candle. And like I said, be very careful with blow drying. Try not to go any more than 3 minutes if you're using an LED candle, because those candles are hollow and do not have a lot of that wax on the inside. But if you decide to use a real candle, 5 minutes should be fine.
Alright, so I have my completed candle. I actually just used some deco tape. Comes on here like that, and it has like a little sticky side. Took that off, put around the edges and all that good stuff, and then I took some rhinestones and I got the hot glue, and so this is what I came out with. So please like and subscribe to my channel, and any questions, any comments, constructive criticism, I'm all up for it. Crafting is just something that I like to do in my free time. Like I said before, it helps me de-stress and things like that. I'm more on the beginner stages, so if any of you guys have any tips or anything like that, just let me know. Until then, see you guys next time.